Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're here at PhotoPlus 2019 at the Camera Canopy stage with Jerry. He's going to be showing off this roof. Check it out.
DIY Photography's coverage of PhotoPlus 2019 is sponsored by Luminar, an AI-powered photo editor. PhotoPlus. Immerse yourself in the world of photo and video. Cozy Speed, the fastest camera bags in the world. And Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So, Jerry, I have to say, I approach this kind of with a little skepticism. What are you holding?
All right, this is we call it Camera Canopy. It's a rain shield to protect your camera and the lens, and also the glass from rain, snow, and makes picture taking a lot easier than using plastic bags or any kind of covering that get hot. This is clear. You see all your functions in the camera. It's very easy to change the lenses. You just pop it out. You don't have to take a bag off. It's good in wind, up to about 20 miles an hour.
Okay, I have to ask, where does an idea like this come from, and why did it happen?
All right. Well, it started, I was in Alaska, and as soon as I got there, got off the boat. We took a cruise and went over to where some eagles were, and I saw 15 eagles sitting on a tree. Fantastic shot, except it was raining. And as I lifted the camera up to shoot, I have all water droplets on my lens. I had the plastic bag, which was uncomfortable, and none of my pictures came out. So I figured I have to do something. What can I do? And that's how we came up, out of necessity for me.
What are the benefits of the Camera Canopy over the regular, the plastic bag or
the first is it's much more comfortable, and you have complete visibility of everything in your camera. You can see all your readings, and the lens does not get the water drops on it, which ruined all my pictures.
I see it's attached to the hot shoe, is that right?
Yes, it is.
And weight-wise, do you feel that it's there?
For me, I've been using it for about a year now since I invented it, and the weight is fairly well balanced. I don't seem to have any problem with it at all.
How much does it weigh?
It weighs 32 ounces.
Okay, well, this is the translation. And what about if I had like accessories mounted on the back? If I was doing video, would I be able to also extend the other way?
Yeah, we put two things on. If you're using a tripod, we put a shield on the back so the rain doesn't hit the back end of it. And people have used the second shield going this way for more protection for video gear.
Awesome. And how does it pack down? Where do we carry such a thing?
It's carried in a bag. It comes in its own bag, and that's it. It doesn't fold, unfortunately, at least not yet.
And what about price and availability? Can we buy these things now? How much do they cost?
Show special right now, we're doing $79.99 for the large version. The smaller version, which comes without the top, is $49.99, and they are available online.
What is this piece I see right here?
This piece here is a rain shield. That's just to give it a little extra protection, so when it's spread out, the rain doesn't go through the slot.
Does it come on the little version? Is the little version upgradable?
It comes only on the big version, but the little version is convertible, and you get the shield and the large piece with it.
Okay, awesome. Well, I have to admit, I'm kind of convinced. I'm really interested to see this go out into the market, so thanks a lot for showing that out.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Jerry.
Okay.
That was Jerry here at Camera Canopy, PhotoPlus 2019. I'm Adam Frimmer from DIYPhotography.net. We're going to be touring the booth for a lot more content, so make sure you stick around for that. Also, don't forget, we have a giveaway going on, so you're going to want to read more about that in the description below.
Oh,